guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a shopping vlog and haul because if you didn't know, I love shopping and I go shopping a lot. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me today because I've never really done that before. So you can see what shops I go into, you can see what I buy. Half of this video will be a vlog and the other half will be a haul. Make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up if you'd like to see more vlogs in the future and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And the time's currently about 9:30, so we're going to set off because I'm going to the Meadowhall shopping centre in Sheffield and it takes about 50 minutes or an hour. It's like my favourite shopping centre, so yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm not going to take my big camera though because it's very heavy and very big, so I'll be vlogging a bit on my phone, so I'm sorry if that annoys you. But I'm going to show you guys my outfit before I set off to leave the house. So my top is from Zaful, and then I have my jeans which are from TOPSHOP. They're the ripped grey journey jeans. So yeah, I'm going to set off because my mum is telling me to hurry up. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you when I'm leaving the house. So I'm just in the car now on the way to Meadowhall. So we'll probably get there at like 10:30, so I'll vlog again when we've arrived. Shopping centre, we're in like the car park, so I'm going to get out now and then I'll show you guys the shops that I go to and stuff. Costa, but I didn't get anything because I'm not thirsty, so yeah, but I'm going to go shopping in a minute to PRIMARK because I want to get some of the stuff in back with new like ring. I don't think I'm going to keep these because they're too big and the size below is like too small, so I don't think I'm going to get them because I don't really like them. I'm getting the mug instead, so. I'm just in H&M and I'll show you what I like. I think this jumper is really nice, but I've got a lot of things like it, so I don't know. Let me know if you like it. It's quite expensive, it's £25. This top's also quite nice because it's like neon, which is like the neon trend at the moment. I think this top's really nice as well, but I have a lot like it, so I don't think I'm going to get it. And this jumper is really nice as well, so I'm going to try it on. Just in the changing room and I'm going to try on all of these clothes. So I've got this pink top, which I think is really nice because it's like neon and I really like that trend at the moment. And I've got this black top. And I've got this like off the shoulder jumper, which is really cute. And then I've got this stripy top, which I probably won't get because I've got a lot of tops like it, but I'm going to try it on anyway. So I'll show you what they look like on. Pink top looks like, I don't think I'm going to get it because it's really tight and it's not very comfortable. I've got the black top on and I like it, but I don't think I need it, and I've got a lot of tops like it, so I'm not going to get it. Jumper on and I really like it, but it's really itchy, so again I'm not going to buy this. So I'm not actually going to buy anything in H&M. So I'm now back from the Meadowhall, so I'm going to show you what I bought. I didn't actually buy like a lot because I don't know, I just didn't really see anything that I needed or that I liked. Like I did see stuff that I liked, but I didn't need it. So I did buy 4 things though, so I'm just going to show you anyway, even though they're not really interesting, but you know. I got one item of clothing which I'm actually wearing now, and they're these joggers from TOPSHOP. And they're just like grey and they're so soft, like they're literally so warm and so comfortable. I don't really know if you can see, but yeah, they're really flattering. I really like them. I'm literally just going to wear them for lounging about in the house, like after school, like when it's like winter. So yeah, I think these are really nice, and they were £22, which is quite a lot, but it's TOPSHOP and TOPSHOP's like my favourite shop, so I don't mind paying TOPSHOP prices because the quality is really good. I went into Hollister. I actually found this spray and it was on sale for £3.99. Let me just focus it. It's got a really pretty packaging, and it's in the scent vanilla and frozen berries, and it was in the sale for £3.99, which I thought was really good. It's normally £13, so I've got like quite a lot of discount on it. So yeah, I really like this, and it smells so good. That's what I got in Hollister. And then in Primark, basically the new Saffron Barker range has come out like a few days ago, and I really wanted to get these Snuggly. I looked everywhere and I just couldn't find it, but I still wanted to get something from her range. This mug, because I always need a mug. Like, I don't really have many mugs that I like and that are mine, so it's like black, it's got like white and gold splodges on it, and yeah, I just think it's really cute, and it was only £3, so I think that's pretty decent for a mug. Last thing I got was some Magic Stars in Poundland, because these are like my favourite chocolate and I haven't had them in ages, so I thought I'd treat myself, you know. So that's everything that I bought. Like I said, I didn't buy a lot, but I didn't want to waste my money on something that I didn't want. But I am going to be doing a autumn like try on clothing haul soon, because I've bought like a couple of different things over the past few weeks, so look out for that video, guys. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed anyway. I'm going to end the video here, so make sure to give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all next week for a new video. Bye!